let's do it. Get ready with me. I have dinner plans tonight with some friends, so I thought I would go ahead and take you along for the makeup look that I did today and help me pick out what I'm gonna wear, as well as what perfume I'm going to put on for this evening. This shirt I got at a thrift store for like $2. It's silk, it's beautiful. I love how it feels very fall-like. It's kind of painterly too, I think that's what I like about it. And then I have some black jeans on, and then I'm gonna pair it with my favorite boots. I'm so in love with these. I have been searching for years to find a kitten heel boot that has this beautiful structure to it. I love the silhouette of the calf that goes all the way down. That heel just doesn't kill my feet. The leather on here is so beautiful. I love the zipper. It's got cushioning. These are by Frankie 4. I got these at Nordstrom's, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the tan ones too because it's like a perfect camel tan color, and these are so comfortable. They just go with everything. So I'm gonna wear these beauties tonight. This is the Kevyn Murphy. This is a go-to for me. It is the bedroom hair. It's the flexible texturizing spray. And I have a lot of layers in my hair and it's short, so I can pretty much get out of the house pretty fast. I like that wind-blown hair look where it looks done and undone at the same time. Textural, piecey. I can just go in throughout the day, kind of push my fingers through, and it gives me more of that bedhead look. I mean, I can really get it to do some strange, fun things. I've already picked up my jewelry tonight, so I have my little CV on, which is Cheri Voyage. And then I have my rings here. This piece I got when I was in Rome, and this piece I got when I was in Bellagio in Lake Como. They're two of my favorite pieces beside my cuff up here, which I absolutely love. This is by Ideal. And then I got these beautiful stone earrings when I was in Bologna, Italy. I love to get jewelry and makeup and art supplies when I travel, and books. It's one of my favorite things to do. This is Oficina Universal. And this is called Tubéreuse du Mexico, or Tubéreuse of Mexico. It's an oil. I got it when I was in Milan. I can't begin to tell you how beautiful this is. You want to put it in areas that are like behind the ear, the neck, obviously where somebody's going to kiss you or give you a hug or lean in and give you a bijou. This is great if you don't want to have that overly strong scent because it's an oil. Then, if I want to feel a little more bold and really feel sexy, I reach for this beauty. And this is the Initio. This is the Atomic Rose. I've never been stopped so many times as when I wear this. Just interesting. It's kind of deep and rich and then soft and feminine. I call it a rose with a bite. It's sexy, but very soft and feminine all rolled into one. All right, now let's go ahead and play with some makeup. This is a gentle daily exfoliant that helps to remove those dead skin cells. Using my favorite Shiseido cotton, I'm going to go ahead and press one pump down, and then I just go in and work all around the face, including the neck. I just got done washing my face. You could see there's still that grime. This is one of my favorite new products. It's a small trash can that I have on my beauty counter. It just keeps everything nice and clean when I'm doing my makeup. One of my new favorite eye creams. Hydrates, depuffs, and brightens, and it leaves a cosmetic effect of a sheen while it tightens around the eye area. A powerhouse primer and SPF all in one, a little bit of gold in there so that you get this beautiful light reflecting quality. Watch how it makes my skin glisten as I move around. And by the way, never forget your neck. We have 5 minutes. Let's use a Gua Sha Tool, which is going to make a huge difference not only in your skin, but your makeup look. So what I'm doing here is helping to depuff. This also helps with elasticity, relieves facial tension, and helps circulation in the skin, which gives you that beautiful glow. Think of it as light sculpting. Over time, you really start to see a difference. I've seen a difference with continued use using this on my deeper set forehead lines. Don't forget your neck as well. You're going to get this beautiful glow and lift. With continued use, you will see a difference. I'm on my 3rd bottle of this. I take it with me everywhere. I start the day with it and end my day with it because it just feels so good. No need to be complicated. 4 products, a couple minutes to get this glow. I've gone over brows several times with you. There are several tutorial videos down below. What I have here is the NYX Brow Gel and the Kosas Brow Pencil. Let's get straight into getting these lashes on. We're going to go ahead and use the Surratt eyelash curler, just pumping it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then using the Maybelline Sky Mascara in waterproof black. And here we have brows and lashes on. Let's go ahead and get into some eyeliner. Victoria Beckham, I'm using a plummy purple color and going right underneath that lash line just to make my eyes stand out a bit and a little more green. Let's go ahead and make our eyes dance with a bit more color. I'm using the MAC Paint Pot Cream in the color Bougie. This shifts in light when you move around. It's waterproof. I'm doing a very thin layer, especially if you have aging eyelids. You want to go thin always. Next, my absolute favorite product for 2025, the Mary Phillips Time Saving Face Palette. Going in with the contour, hitting those high points of the face, which will help to lift and sculpt. As you can see, it just creates a second skin-like finish. And then hitting that brow ridge. That will create some lift and definition. Grabbing that light color in the peach, this will help to color correct and brighten, placing on the inner corner of the eye where the darkest area usually is. And then we're going to go in with the peach and add a little bit down to the cheek area just so that the whole thing looks nice and even. Going in now with a little bit more of the two together, we're going to go ahead and place that where there's redness around the sides of the mouth and add a little lift on the outer corner to brighten and highlight. A dark spot has caught my eye, so I'm going to take a little concealer to cover it up. And here we go, much better. Let's go ahead and chisel this jawline using the contour. I'm going to go ahead and go right on the bone and then feather it back into space and then take it up around the ear and make sure to hit that ear as well. Shortening the nose, I'm going to go right across the tip with whatever's left over. e.l.f. blush. This is one of my favorites. This is as good as my NARS liquid blush that's $40 called Luster. This one was $3.99 and it is so beautiful. It's a light baby pink, looks good on light, medium, and deep skin tones. It creates a dewy finish. But wait, let's go ahead now and, drum roll please, add my new favorite lipstick by Maybelline. It's their Serum lipstick collection. This is the most beautiful, pigmented, striking red, first of all, but all of the lipstick is good. Hyaluronic acid, stays all day, doesn't have a crayon-like taste, doesn't feather or bleed, and I am shocked by how good this is considering the price point is drugstore budget friendly. But wait just a minute. We are going to use these cloths. They're so good. These are the Body Shop Rice Water Cleansing Cloths. They take everything off. Let's go in with a lighter lip look just to show you how this changes the makeup look up. This is the Chanel Rouge Allure Laque Exagence, and this is a lipstick and a gloss in one. Then the e.l.f. lip pencil for $1.99 to go ahead and shape the edge of the lips. This is a great lip liner. Feathering around the outer edge of the lip to give a bit of a fuller lip look. Now using the Gucci Lilac Highlighter, I'm just going to work on the high points of the face. Brow bone is great, cheekbone, little on you too, why not? All right, let's go ahead and add the Dior powder just in the areas that I need to. I'm using the same brush. It doesn't pick up too much product and it's great for around the areas under the eye and anywhere where we have any creasing. Keeping everything nice and soft. As you can see, this is a little more dewy on this side where this has a demi matte, so it's not going to grab a lot of light, which can look really great on camera, film, etc. Always add a touch of powder if you're getting photographed. Here we have the final look. Can you believe what a lipstick does? How the red is so different in its look and feel compared to this pinky nude color. I feel like it even changes my style of clothing that I'm wearing, which is the best part about makeup, is that you really can create different versions of yourself and really have fun with color. All right, you guys, this was a really fun video. Get ready with me. I don't think I've ever done one of these before, and I hear you all really like them, so I thought, let's give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching and going on this voyage with me. If you guys have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It's so important to your content creators because this algorithm thing is such a menace for us. So please don't forget to not only like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, but use the affiliate links down below. We get a very small commission, but it does help us to continue to buy product and do our channels. And as all of you know, I am a professional makeup artist and I do work with clients via Zoom one-on-one all over the world. I have wonderful clients, and if you guys would like to be one of them, go ahead and head to CheriVoyage.com. And if you haven't had enough, you can head to TikTok or Instagram where I do mini tutorials. All right, everyone, I'm off to film another video for you all, so I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright.